What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with ChatGPT by combining a method that I've been doing for years online, and we can now do it with ChatGPT to speed it up and make more money. So what I want to do in this video is take you through the exact steps that you need to do. I'm going to show you the exact business model. I'm going to show you an example of one of my real life businesses actually making money from this method. I'm going to be showing you how you can now integrate ChatGPT into this method so you can speed up the process. This is going to be a very in-depth short tutorial so you can learn everything that you need to know about making money online with ChatGPT. I work full-time online, and this is one of the income streams that I have been relying on for the last few years. And now that I have ChatGPT, we can make this much faster. So let's jump into this tutorial, and I'm going to show you step by step, and I'm going to show you the results in a second on how you can actually go ahead and make money with this and the exact steps that you need to take. Let's jump into the tutorial and get started. All right, guys, so here's some of the earnings that I've made from this method. Now, keep in mind, not all of these earnings are from this particular method, and I actually made most of my money from this method some time ago because I haven't really been keeping it up to date because I've been busy with other projects. But we are going to use the particular method that I used to make some of this money as an example in this video. And yes, you can still make money with this today. There are lots of people making money with this particular strategy, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So here's some of the earnings right now. I've made over $300,000 with this particular program, and I'm making around about $800 US per month, which is actually a lot for me. Converted to my currency, that's like $1,200, which is quite a lot considering I don't put a lot of work into this right now. But as you can see, these are the commissions right here. We've got a couple here as well. Now, what I want to do is I want to show you step by step exactly how you can do this. The first step you are going to want to do is you're going to want to go and get a web hosting service, which means you go and create your own website. Now, you can use something like Bluehost that will give you 70% off or up to 70% off your website hosting. You can click on the link below. It is an affiliate link. I would get a commission, but if you want to go and use that link, you will need to have a website to do this particular method. But for this example, we're actually going to go ahead and use Google Sites, which is completely free to do. So we're going to be using that for this example, but I would recommend going and getting a paid website so you can make money online with this method. So if we go to a website called clickfunnels.com, we can actually promote this for a commission. Now, what ClickFunnels is, I'm not going to get too much into detail about what it does, is you can create funnels, which, like if you've seen like a business sales funnel online, webinars, landing pages and things like that. It's more for like landing pages, funnels and webinars. That's primarily what I use them for. And you can also use this to create memberships. But what we can actually do is we can go ahead and promote this, and we get 50% of the commissions every single month recurring per person that is on the plan. And this is actually, you can see here what this does. So you can do e-commerce stores, membership sites, online courses, same thing essentially, sales funnels. The website function isn't that good, but either way, we can go ahead and promote this particular product under these categories. If you go down to the bottom, all the way down here, it says affiliate program. Once you sign up to that affiliate program, you're going to be taken to a page that looks like this. And all you do is you go down to here, for example, and you go affiliate tools. Now, on the affiliate tools page, you're going to get an affiliate link where you can send people to promote that particular product. So if we go down here, you can promote the free 14-day trial. I'm going to go get affiliate tools, and there is my affiliate marketing link that I will use to promote ClickFunnels. Now, you might be asking yourself, how do you actually go ahead and get the traffic to make money? I'm going to show exactly how to do that right now using ChatGPT and websites. So if we go to one of my websites here that I make a little bit of money off now, but I used to make most of the money about a year ago, 2 years ago was kind of like the prime for this particular website. This website is called 5funnel.com. It's a live website. You can go and check it out. It's got my photo on the side. We can refresh it. This is a real live website right now. On the right, you'll see that there's a banner. That banner goes to ClickFunnels. So if I click on that, that is my affiliate link, and I will get a commission every time someone makes a purchase. Now, if we look through this, you'll see that I have particular titles like ClickFunnels versus Thrive Themes, ClickFunnels versus Get Response. If we click on ClickFunnels versus Get Response, you will see that this is content based on ClickFunnels versus Get Response. And we don't have them at the moment because we're actually changing them out. we usually have our affiliate link in the article. And people will click on that when they go ahead and search this. And then we've got the banner. Now, what I want to do is I'm going to show you a real example right now of how we're getting traffic. So if I go over to how to create ebook funnel with ClickFunnels and I scroll down, you'll see that I am number one in the Google text search for how to create an ebook with ClickFunnels. If I click on this, it goes to my page here, and I have a full tutorial on how to create an ebook for ClickFunnels. And then on the side here, we have links that we can get commissions from for these particular programs. So let's show you how you can do this, okay? And we'll use this as an example. You want to go over to a website called openai.com, and you want to go ahead and you want to go and click try ChatGPT, and you're going to be taken to a page that looks like this. And there's a free version of ChatGPT that you can use to make money. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in a command here, and we'll let ChatGPT do the rest for us. So I put in a prompt, and this is a very basic prompt, by the way. There's much more advanced settings you can do. Write me a 1500, see that's supposed to say word. I always put work for some reason. Write me a 1500 word article on how to create an ebook with ClickFunnels, okay? Now what this is doing is it's giving me an article that I can go ahead and use to put on my website for the specific search term, which is how to create an ebook funnel with ClickFunnels. Now what I'm going to do at the end of this video is I'm going to show you a really special way to find topic ideas, so don't worry about that, but we just want to let ChatGPT do its thing. Now you'll see that in my one, there's like images and stuff like that. You don't really need to have images if you don't want to. Like if we go back to the home page here and we go to this one here, you'll see it's just all text. So just all text is perfectly fine, although you probably will want to do images on some of your content, okay? So what we've done is we've gone ahead and ChatGPT is writing us some content. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to copy this. It isn't finished just yet. And I'm going to show you what we do with this content. Now, keep in mind, what we're going to be doing now is putting it up on our dummy website. Now, this website, we're using Google Sites, but you would obviously have your own real website by something like Bluehost. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go over to Google Sites, and I'm going to go blank, and I'm going to go and create a new site. Now, remember, I'm going to show you a trick in a minute to find the best topics. And remember, this is just a dummy site for this tutorial. You would have a proper website that looks like this, okay, or similar to this. So I'm going to go ahead and just quickly paste in the content here because I want to get it out of my copy paste prompt. Okay, so there we go. We have gone ahead and we have put in the content. You can make it look pretty if you like, but remember, this is just a tutorial on how to do this. You can actually find tutorials online on how to create websites and stuff like that, but we can make this bold. And you will need to go through and edit this, guys, okay? ChatGPT is not perfect. It's really going to depend on what type of format you want. Like I would actually probably do a lot of changing to this, but there we go. And then what you can actually do is you go over to clickfunnels.com affiliate, you get your affiliate link, and you'll just go ahead and put your affiliate link in here, like something like this. Ready to start your ebook? Sign up here. Get your free trial. Okay. This is a very basic affiliate marketing tactic. Like I said, you would have your own website, but we've actually gone ahead and put an affiliate link in there. So anyone that is reading this particular content and they clicked on that and they made a purchase or they signed up on a trial, once that trial ticks over to a paid version, if they're still on that, we would get that commission. And for each person that I get signing up, I get $38 per person per month, as long as that person is still on the affiliate marketing program, okay? And what we do is we use ChatGPT to create that content because it actually saves us a lot of time. With all of this stuff, I used to actually pay somebody to write this content out for me, and it can get very expensive. Now we have ChatGPT that can do all of this particular content for us. Now you might be asking yourself, how do I go ahead and find topic ideas? I'm going to cover that right now, but first of all, I want to cover one more question that a lot of people have, is how do you get the traffic once the website is posted? Now, what happens is usually you create things called backlinks and stuff like that that link back to your website. You can go on Google SEO tutorials to figure all of that out. But what I do with all of my sites, I just post content naturally, and naturally my content grows in Google and I naturally start to get traffic. I don't manually build backlinks or anything like that. So what we can do is we can take this website here, which is called supplyGem.com. Now this website, what they do is they review the best platforms online like ClickFunnels and all of that sort of stuff. We can go ahead and use a software called Ahrefs. And in Ahrefs, what I can do is I can put supplyGem.com into this platform and I can click top pages. Sorry guys, my camera just went flat. What you can do is you can actually see their top content that's getting the most traffic and what keywords they are going out and ranking for. This is really important information because you know what web page gets the most traffic, so that's going to be the one that's making the most money. So you can go ahead and reverse engineer what other pages are doing by using tools like Ahrefs for SEO optimization and search and keyword research. And this is really good stuff, and it really does help. In fact, this is what I use to go ahead and do my keyword research. Now, you can also click on the specific keyword and it will give you other keyword terms that match it. So like ClickFunnels examples, ClickFunnels website examples, ClickFunnels landing page examples, best ClickFunnels examples. And there's also some more, so you can go to checkout 42. And there's a complete list of other specific keywords that you can target relating to that keyword. So I do recommend you go ahead and do a little bit of deep diving and researching because that is good. Because that's what's going to give you the key over everybody else. And that is exactly how I went and built this website, 5funnel.com, that makes money online. It doesn't make as much now, but it still makes a little bit of money by promoting the ClickFunnels product. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, tap that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.